Welcome to part 2 of our Kuala Lumpur video, where we visit the famous Batu Caves, the Islamic Art Museum, and stroll around the beautiful city. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, we've put a link in the right corner. Not too far outside of the city are the famous Batu Caves, one of the most important Hindu shrines outside of India, dedicated to Lord Murugan, the Hindu god of war. It's the golden statue in the front, and it cannot be missed. Batu means rock in Malay, a very well suited name, since the temples are in and around rocky caves. Before climbing the 227 steps up, we entered a temple on the left side. It's full of shrines, people praying and bringing offers such as milk, which then will be used by the priests to do prayers. They also pour it over the statues of the gods to nurture and nourish the brain and soul with goodness and noble thoughts. The colorful concrete steps were built in 1940 and bring you to the main cave. Monkeys sit on the steps as well, a lot of them with babies when we went. Inside the cave are multiple shrines you can visit and some more cheeky monkeys. Because of their association with Lord Rama, you probably know him as the blue man with multiple arms, monkeys are treated with compassion and respect and are offered food. That explains why there are so many monkeys there. Afterwards, we went to Merdeka Square, or Independence Square in English, with the Jamek mosque in the background. You can walk alongside the river here and listen to the evening prayer with the Kuala Lumpur Tower in the back. The mosque is one of the oldest mosques in Kuala Lumpur. The following day we went to the Islamic Art Museum, situated next to the botanical gardens and the bird park. The museum showcases art, design and culture of the Islamic world from Persia to Spain and the Ottoman Empire. It's very informative and nice to have gathered information about all the different religions and cultures represented here in Malaysia.
Supreme store. Everything in plastic bags to keep its value and not make it dirty.
After Kuala Lumpur, we headed down south to the town of Malacca, a small coastal town with a turbulent history. We hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and give us a like, and we will see you in Malacca.